Magkatambal sina Michael Sager at Jillian Ward sa GMA Public Affairs series na My Ilonggo Girl. Unang pagkakataon ito na magka-love team ang dalawa, at para kay Michael ay mahalaga ang authentic na chemistry. Lahad niya, authenticity can't be bought, eh. I mean, that's something you have to create by being real with one another, and the way I did it with Jill, I was open to her. Sabi ko sa kanya, for this work, this project, I gave it my all talaga. Sabi ko, ibang opportunity to be partners. Sabi ko, I want to get to know her, I want her to be comfortable, kasi yung scenes namin, first time for her. So, I made sure na we had moments of calm, na we get to know one another, kasi para nga ang may palabas namin is genuine. May mga fans na gustong maging magkarelasyon sila sa tunay na buhay. I think sa industry naman po natin, it's actually great kasi we're evolving, saad ni Michael. I mean, marami ring nagpa-partner na lang as leading man, leading lady. Yung pagjojowa, I feel like for me, it's far from my goals right now and her din kasi parang importante kasi, focus muna sa work. Kasi pag nahahalo yun, baka mawala yung priorities. Wala sa isip ni Michael ang posibilidad na in the future ay paghiwalayin din ang tambalan nila ni Jillian. Well, I want to live in the present naman po. And I think what I can do siguro is hope for the best. Just take care of her, take care of what we have, and make sure iwas na lang sa issue, and masaya lang palagi. And I think that's what's important lang, na we enjoy the company and the times we're on in the set. Michael Sager on dealing with possible rivalries. Si Jillian ay isa sa mga prinsesa ng GMA7. Dahil si Michael ang napiling bilang leading man ni Jillian sa My Ilonggo Girl, posible kayang may ibang male star sa GMA na mainggit sa kanya. Hindi naman po maiiwasan kahit anong industriya na may naiinggit. It's hard, this showbiz thing, it's difficult talaga po. But again, with the advice I was given before, I just want to be kind kahit galit sila sa akin. Why share the negativity when you can spread positivity? And working with the veterans, that's actually one of the advices I listen to the most, is how I deal with co-actors, with co-people in the industry. And lagi si Tita Connie, Miss Joey Albert, even yun nga, si Jill. Advice from veterans. Napag-alaman ng Pep.ph, Philippine Entertainment Portal, na ang female singer na sumikat noong dekada 80, si Joey Albert, ay matalik na kaibigan ng pamilya ni Michael. Si Joey Albert po, close family friend namin in Canada. Bago ako umuwi, sabi niya sa akin, "If people you know on the way up are the same people you know on the way down." That hit me kasi sabi ko, grave no, yung showbiz talaga small world lang and we have to be nice to one another. Production man yan, castmates, staff, and crew. So ayun po, kung merong mga naiinggit or ganun, sana wala, but if there are, I just focus on myself, stay in my lane, and I don't want to get in trouble. Nakapanayam si Michael sa media ko ng My Ilonggo Girl noong January 9, 2025, sa function room ng Luxent Hotel sa Timog, Quezon City. Bukod kina Michael at Jillian ay tampok sa My Ilonggo Girl sina Teresa Loizaga, San Agustin, Lian Valentin, Arlene Mulak, at si Mick. Carla Martinez. Nasa serye rin sina Empoy Marquez, Yasser Marta, Richard Juan, Andrea Del Rosario, Vince Maristella, Patricia Ismael, Yesh Burrs, at ang mga sparkle young stars na sina Sabrina Casantos at Jayomana.